So courgettes, we'll serve 2 per portion, yes?
Yes.
Yeah? Into the batter. It's a really nice way of eating courgettes. Courgettes are normally slightly bland, nicely shallow fried like this with a tempura batter. This makes nice and light, crisp, gets rid of the water and makes the courgette, taste of something. Right, take them out of the oil, nicely seasoned, Rock salt, shred away so it absorbs the salt. Okay, plate out, please. Right, radicchio, apple, centre of the plate. Chop. Look at that. Beautiful. On there, sit it on. Yes?
Yes, chef.
And just crisscross there. And then your sage leaf. Now, Jackie.
Yes, chef.
Please tell me, that you've eaten a pork chop before.
Yes, I have eaten a pork chop.
Yeah, good.
Yes.
A little bit of sauce, one side of the pork chop, touch of olive oil to cut the richness of the sauce.
Yes, chef.
Would you pay for that?
Yes,
Yes?
definitely.
Right, are we ready?
Yes, chef.
Yes? 4 pork chops away, Let's go.
Yes, chef.
Treat. And Sarah, do not forget to smile. My God.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
When we get the chops out, make sure they're all the same size. Why?
Yep. So they cook evenly
They cook
together.
evenly, that's right. Melt the butter, then in the oven. You've got to be quick.
Come on, other way.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Come on, ladies. Watch out. I've got that. Right.
Yes.
Jackie, you know that oil's not hot enough.
Yes,
You're a
chef.
bright girl, and I don't need to tell you that.
We're ready to
chef.
start the apple implementation.
Leave them to rest. They look fantastic.
Yes, chef.
Right. Come here, Jackie. Leave that.
Yes, chef.
You've got to be together.
Yes, chef.
You're not desperate housewives. You're desperate. You know,
Yes,
fucking
chef.
segmented in a way.
We're not
Come on.
desperate. We're going to
She's dressing on her own. You'll stand there like that.
Yes, chef.
Stir in the fucking pan. Yes, JB.
It's raw.
It's what?
It's raw.
It's raw.
Yeah. Actually, the whole table was pretty much raw.
No, it is. It's undercooked. What table was that?
That's table 3.
Okay, Heather, come here. Look, it's nice to have it just under medium, but what is that? Come on.
Sorry, chef. We'll get another one on.
Okay.
Come on, ladies.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, we do that whole table again, yes? Now, touch that. Come here. Come on.
Yes, chef.
Touch that. Now,
Okay,
say,
chef.
are they raw? Yes or no?
Yes,
They're
chef.
raw. Look, they're raw.
Okay, chef. Back in.
Yes, chef.
Everybody's just starting to nod off a little bit, yes?
No, chef.
If you've got
Yes, chef.
any hope in hell
Yes, chef.
of coming to Clary's and cooking, you've got to pick up the pace.
Yes, chef.
Yeah?
Yes,
Seriously.
chef.
Come on. Come in. Thank you, Jackie.
You're welcome.
Hey, just double check.
Come on, ladies, please.
Gordon?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's the
another,
matter?
Yeah, another one.
Oh, no. Oh, come
Yeah, that's from table 11.
on. How come they've eaten half of it? It's not raw. Sorry, come on. That's perfect.
Yeah.
You weren't very happy?
No, I thought it was too raw, so sorry.
30 years ago, I think you've got a valid point because everyone thinks pork's got to be cooked to hell out of to become tasty.
Right, yeah.
That, I'm really sorry, it's cooked perfectly. What do you do for a living?
What do I do for a living?
Yeah, just out of interest.
Estate agent.
Cool, fuck it now. I know more than anyone in Britain today
houses, yeah?
that fucking estate agents cannot cook. So I wouldn't expect you to understand how that's cooked perfectly. Thank you. Holy mackerel. Fuck me. I'm an estate agent, poor bastard.
Pork was lovely, very smoky flavour. The stock was also very nice, and also the courgette was very well done.
It was extremely good. The pork was really moist, not at all dry like it sometimes is.
Okay, right, ladies, results of the main course, please. Quickly come over. So, Jackie, how many do you think are happy to pay for the main course?
45, chef.
45. Good. Sarah?
42.
I like that level of confidence. Okay, the number of people that are willing to pay for the main course is 33 out of 50. So why didn't the others pay? The 17 decided not to pay. What did they say?
Too slow
Too slow?
and too pink.
Too pink?
Yeah.
There were 2 tables that came back and they were pink. Yes? Damn. Now, do yourselves a favour.
Yes, chef.
Go out on a high.
Yes, chef.